My Fuller Brush Company handcrafted extra-wide 10-inch maple broom with 2-piece black steel handle is absolutely amazing. The heavy-duty, genuine Maple Hardwood Block is extra durable. With long-lasting rinse-clean bristles, they resist chemicals, oil, grease, and mildew. Bristles are stiff enough to sweep up twigs, sand, pebbles, and the split ends are fine and wonderful and allow to pick up fine particles, including dust, sugar, salt, hair, sawdust, and much more. Each tuft is filled with an extra load of bristles and an offset tufting pattern to ensure complete and thorough sweeping action. Bristles are also securely staple set into the hardwood block to keep them from shedding. 4.5-inch elongated bristles create just the right back and forth sweeping action. My favorite part is that bristles are washable under the faucet or with a garden hose. Our broom heads come in 10 or 12 inches and are proudly made in the USA.